Yes, looks like survived from the snowstorm.
Relax, guys. I turn on the humidifier for fresh air.
Fresh air, bro. This machine is polluting the whole office.
What water did you use?
Tap water?
Tap water? Ladies and gentlemen, I found the criminal.
Filling your humidifier with unfiltered tap water can leave stains and calcium deposit inside the machine. By this way, it can pollute your air.
Now I have feed clean pure water to the humidifier.
So the humidifier wasn't broken?
No, it never was. It's just thirsty for the filtered water.
Congratulations, everyone! We can breathe safely again.